Hello friend. So today we will learn to check a number is prime or not. So we will write a Java code. I am giving a pseudo code and concept behind that. So what is prime number? A prime number which is divisible by 1 and by itself only. Like it's if you will do the prime factorization. Okay, so other than 1 and 4, okay, there will be no any number. But here you can see that 2 into 2. So this number 4 divided by 2. Okay, so this is not a prime number. Same like 12. If you will do the factorization 2 into 2 into 3, so it means it is number 12 divided by 2, 2, 3. Okay, so this is not prime number. So here we will basically we will take input, okay, from the system. So we will just there we have to write the main classes like class main, then you have to write public static void main. That I am leaving on you. You will first initialize a scanner object, okay, to take input. So you will do how you will initialize that a scanner s is equal to new scanner, and inside that you have to give system.in. Now you will take a int variable, let's suppose n, or you can name anything, okay, and then you can like take the next from the scanner se.maxi, which will be take the input from the console and it will be storing our integer n variable. And then you can check a boolean value, okay, like boolean flag is equal to true. That by default I am considering the given number is prime number, okay. Now you will iterate. This is not optimized code, but like I am giving a brute force approach first to build the understanding. Then we will understand how we can write the optimized code. So first the general concept is like you will check from all the number, okay, whether it divide by 2, whether it divide by 3, 4, 5 like this. And if it is not divided by any number, then at the end we will say that this is a prime number. If it is divided by any number, okay, then we will mention that this is a not a prime number, and there itself will be written, and we will set the flag first that this block will be invalidated or this block will be not going to return. So this is the simple code. In next video we will get more like optimized code, like we have to iterate just a square root of n only. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and follow.